In 1776, something amazing happened. 13 British colonies in North America declared their independence. They were tired of being ruled by a king across the ocean. This bold declaration, the Declaration of Independence, stated that all men are created equal. It proclaimed the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. This was a brand new idea for the world. The Declaration wasn't just words on paper, it sparked a revolution. The colonists, led by General George Washington, fought bravely against the mighty British Empire. The American Revolutionary War was long and difficult, but the colonists were determined to win their freedom. After 8 years of struggle, the colonists emerged victorious. The United States of America was born. This new nation, founded on principles of liberty and self-governance, was unlike any other in the world. It was a beacon of hope, a land of opportunity. The story of America is about constantly striving to live up to the ideals set forth in the Declaration of Independence. It's a story of challenges, triumphs, and the never-ending pursuit of a more perfect union. The young nation faced many challenges. One of the biggest was slavery. America, founded on the idea of equality, had enslaved people within its borders. This contradiction could not stand. In 1861, the country plunged into a civil war. President Abraham Lincoln led the Union against the Confederate States, who seceded over the issue of slavery. The Civil War was a brutal conflict, testing the nation's resolve. But in the end, the Union prevailed. Slavery was abolished, and the country began the long process of healing. America also played a key role in the two world wars of the 20th century. Millions of Americans served their country, fighting for freedom and democracy around the globe. These wars tested America's strength and its commitment to its ideals. From the battlefields of Europe to the Pacific Islands, American soldiers fought with courage and determination. They played a crucial role in defeating tyranny and shaping the course of world history. The fight for equality didn't end with the abolition of slavery. Throughout its history, America has seen countless acts of courage and determination in the pursuit of equal rights for all its citizens. The civil rights movement of the 1950s and 60s stands as a testament to this ongoing struggle. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. inspired millions with their message of peace and equality. Through nonviolent protests and powerful speeches, they challenged segregation and discrimination. Their efforts led to landmark legislation that outlawed discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. The fight for equal rights continues today. From the women's suffrage movement to the fight for LGBTQ+ rights, Americans are constantly striving to create a more just and equitable society. The journey towards equality is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires constant vigilance, unwavering commitment, and the courage to stand up for what is right, even when it's difficult. The 20th and 21st centuries saw incredible technological advancements in the United States. From the first airplane to the internet, American innovation transformed the world. These advancements weren't just technological, they were cultural too. America became a global superpower, its influence felt in every corner of the globe. American music, movies, and fashion became popular worldwide. The American dream, the idea that anyone can achieve success through hard work and determination, continued to inspire people around the world. However, challenges remain. America still grapples with issues like economic inequality and political polarization. The future of the American dream depends on the choices made today. As America looks to the future, it must find ways to bridge divides, promote unity, and ensure that the promise of opportunity is available to all. The story of America is still being written. It is a story of progress, of resilience, and of the never-ending pursuit of a more perfect union.